Hi everyone, Chris Hale here from Profit Squirrel, coming to you with another Profit Squirrel vlog. How are you all doing? Really well, I hope. In this video, what I wanted to do is show you one of my favorite little time-saving tricks. It's something that is going to make your match betting a little bit easier, and it's something that is going to mean that you can put bets on faster, you're less likely to make mistakes, and then hopefully, because of those two things, you're going to be making more money. So allow me to explain. If you've been match betting for a little while, you may have seen those offers around that say that the bets need to be placed on a mobile. Now, ironically enough, making this video, I was hunting around the offers that are around at the moment, and I wasn't actually able to find any that are like this, but I can explain one to you, and that should give you a good example of the sort of thing that I'm going on about. So sometimes you'll get these offers, particularly with football, and it will say something like you get a free £5 in-play bet, and it must be placed from a mobile phone. Or additionally, perhaps you need to place first the qualifying bet in play from a mobile phone, and then you get the free bet for the same event, and then you got to place that in play from a mobile phone as well. Now, traditionally, bookmakers do these sorts of offers to get you into the habit of using your mobile phone to place bets. Some of them, they want you to do it on their mobile apps, and that's why they're doing it. And then they will specify that you have to download the actual app from the App Store or the Google Play Store or whatever your app store is for your phone. But more often than not, they're actually just done through the browser on the mobile phone. You just go to the mobile version of their site, you log in with your normal credentials, and then you place the bets there. And bookmakers like this because, as I said, once you're in the habit of doing it on your phone, they think that you might be out somewhere and just casually place a bet. It's always accessible to you. And so I think the reason they're doing these sorts of offers is that they're trying to get you into that sort of habit. It's really good for us as match bettors, as always, to get free bets, but it can be a little bit fiddly doing it on your phone. Traditionally, what I have done with these sorts of bets is I've placed the back bet on my phone, and I've often had my laptop or my desktop computer there, and I've actually been doing the exchange bet, the lay bet, on that bigger screen because I just prefer it that way. And what I'm going to show you now is something really cool that actually allows you to place both the back bet and the lay bet using your desktop or using your laptop. It allows you to use a bigger screen, it allows you to use a mouse and a keyboard if you need it. Things that are just way easier, particularly if it's in play and the odds are changing, and maybe you're trying to calculate the lay stake as well. And then all of these things are sort of happening at once, and it can be really fiddly if you're going between everything on a little screen. So, not to fear, I've got a way for you to do this on your desktop and still qualify for the appropriate free bet. And it's called User Agent Switcher. So it's this really cool plugin that I've discovered on Google Chrome, and I wasn't able to find it on other browsers for now, but it may be around there. And basically what this does, it not only makes the website look as if it's on a mobile phone or a mobile device, it actually sends information to that website that convinces that site that you are on a mobile phone. And that's really cool because it allows us to actually use the site in a more convenient manner but still qualify for these offers. So to set it up, you simply just click Add to Chrome here, and then Add Extension, confirm that you want it to happen. And then once that's added, you can go ahead and close that box. And then what you do is you go ahead and you click on the little icon here in the top right hand corner, and then you select what you want to pretend to be. So for example, let's go to Windows Phone 8, and then this will change the browser to look as if we are using a Windows phone. So what I'm going to do is go off the Profit Squirrel site here, and I'm just going to search for one of the bookmakers that we might use an in-play thing for. So let's go William Hill, for example, and you can see it's pretty cool. We're already getting the results as if they are on that Windows phone. So we've got a few different William Hill results, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click through to the site here, and as you can see, it is displaying as if it were on a mobile screen. So you can see I've got my actual phone up here, and it is displaying in exactly the same way as the site that is on my desktop here. So wicked. I've done many offers that require you to be on mobile using this extension myself, and our other members have also mentioned that they've been successfully completing offers using this extension. We haven't found any issues with it so far. It's worth bearing in mind. But if you do come across any bookmakers that it doesn't seem to work for, that don't seem to give you the free bet once you've placed your qualifying bet using this Chrome extension, do let me know in the comments below and I'll update the details. I want to make sure people have the latest information. So that's it for now, just a short video today. I hope that's useful for you, and hopefully you can see how you're going to be saving time by using this extension. You're going to be more accurate. You can get your exchange window up next to this one and you can go about your match betting business as usual. If you've enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Profit Squirrel for the latest in match betting information. It's all free, new videos every single week. Again, thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in another Profit Squirrel vlog really soon. Bye for now.